Welcome to this video on simple problems on density, specific weight and specific gravity. In this video, we will solve a couple of simple problems related to these properties. Let us start the first problem. Calculate the specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of petrol which weighs 7 Newton. So here some data are given, that is 1 liter of petrol and 7 Newton weight. So the volume is given as 1 liter and weight of that petrol is 7 Newton. We have to calculate three things: specific weight, density and specific gravity. First let us convert this volume 1 liter to meter cube. So we know that 1000 liters is equal to 1 meter cube. So therefore 1 liter is equal to 0.001 meter cube. Then let us start to find out the solutions. First we have to find out the specific weight. We know the formula for specific weight, that is weight by volume. We know these two things. So simply substitute the value of weight and volume, that is 7 Newton divided by 0.001, that is equal to 7000 Newton per meter cube. The unit of specific weight is Newton per meter cube. This is one answer. Then we have to find out the density of the petrol. We know the formula for specific weight, that is density into acceleration due to gravity. So therefore density is equal to specific weight divided by gravity. So we know the value of specific weight, also we know the gravitational constant 9.81. So substitute the value of gravity 9.81 and the specific weight of the fluid 7000. We will get the value of density 713.56 kg per meter cube. The unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Then we have to find out the value of specific gravity. We know the formula for specific gravity, that is density of the given liquid divided by density of water. So density of the given liquid is 713.56 and we know the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So 713 divided by 1000, it gives 0.714. There is no unit for specific gravity because density divided by density will leave us without unit. So these are the three solutions for this problem. While writing answers, please ensure you are writing the proper units. Let's move on to the next problem. Calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of liquid of specific gravity 0.7. Here also we have two input data. One is 1 liter of liquid, another one is specific gravity 0.7. So these are the two given data. As we have converted in the previous case, now also we have to convert the liter to meter cube. We know 1000 liters is equal to 1 meter cube. So 1 liter is equal to 0.001 meter cube. Then we have to find out the density first. So we know the formula for specific gravity. Specific gravity is equal to density of the given liquid divided by density of water. So specific gravity is given here. So density of the liquid is equal to specific gravity into density of water. As density of water is 1000, we have to multiply the specific gravity by density of water 1000. So it gives us 0.7 into 1000, that is 700 kilogram per meter cube. That is the value of density here. Then we have to find out the specific weight. For specific weight, we know the formula. Specific weight is equal to density into gravity. Otherwise we have the formula of weight by volume. Here we have to use this formula, density into gravity. We know the value of density 700 kilogram per meter cube. Also we know the gravitational constant 9.81. So now we get the value of specific gravity, that is 6867 Newton per meter cube. Specific weight is weight per unit volume, that's why it's having the unit of Newton per meter cube. And the last thing we have to find out is the weight of the fluid. So we know the formula for specific weight. Specific weight is equal to weight by volume. Now we have to find out the weight. So weight is equal to specific weight into volume. So specific weight is known, volume is also known. So substitute the specific weight, that is 6867 and the volume 0.001. Now we will get the value of weight 6.867 newtons. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.